Thinking of deleting your Instagram account? Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll guide you through the proper way to remove it safely without leaving any loose ends. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Instagram account, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right and tap on Account Center. Tap on Personal Details. Then, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account that you want to delete. So here's the part where Instagram gives you a choice between deactivation or deletion. In short, deactivation is temporary while deletion is permanent. If you still choose to delete your account, tap on Delete Account and continue. Here you can choose the reason why you're deleting just for their feedback purposes, and then tap on Continue. Now here is the last part Instagram wants you to take note before you really want to delete your account. If you're 100% sure, scroll down and tap Continue and your account deletion process will begin. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and